What if human history's most distant space probe suddenly lost control and crashed into an alien world? What if, after 75,000 years of silent drifting, extraterrestrials finally found our golden record?
Welcome to If Hub, where we explore terrifying and mind-bending scenarios that could change our world forever.
Hurtling through deep interstellar space at 61,000 kilometers per hour, Voyager 1 is on a collision course with destiny. And what happens when it crashes will change the cosmos forever. Voyager 1 is currently hurtling through the uncharted depths of interstellar space, further away than any human-made object has ever traveled. Launched in 1977, its primary mission was to explore Jupiter and Saturn, lasting just 5 years. Unbelievably, nearly half a century later, this lonely robotic vessel continues to defy all odds, racing forward into the dark void with no brakes and no turning back. In 1990, while looking back from 6 billion kilometers away, Voyager 1 took the iconic pale blue photograph, capturing Earth as a tiny speck of dust suspended in a sunbeam. Throughout its historic journey, the probe has transmitted over 67,000 breathtaking images and unlocked secrets of 48 cosmic moons. Today, positioned over 25 billion kilometers from Earth, its signals require nearly a full day to reach NASA ground stations. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliosphere, the sun's massive magnetic radiation shield, officially entering true interstellar space. However, its days of communication are numbered. Powered by decaying plutonium-238 generators that lose 4 watts of power each year, NASA expects to lose the probe's signal forever around 2036. Deprived of power, Voyager 1 will transform into a silent, ghost ship drifting indefinitely through the cosmos. Because Voyager 1's trajectory isn't aiming directly at an inhabited star system, changing its course toward an alien world would require immense kinetic energy. Just as it used Jupiter and Saturn's massive gravity in 1979 and 1980 to slingshot into deep space, the silent probe would need to catch a gravity assist from an undiscovered, rogue Neptune-sized planet lurking thousands of astronomical units away in the frozen Oort cloud. Passing through the outer Oort cloud takes over 30,000 years, exposing Voyager 1 to near absolute zero temperatures and a minefield of over 100 billion icy comets. Luckily, because interstellar space is so vast, the probability of colliding with space debris remains exceptionally low. Slowly navigating this frozen wilderness, the rogue planet's gravity swings Voyager 1 onto a brand new vector toward Proxima Centauri b, the closest known exoplanet to Earth. During its 75,000-year voyage across 40 trillion kilometers, the probe is continuously bombarded by high-energy cosmic rays. Without the sun's protective magnetic bubble, interstellar radiation destabilizes the structural integrity of Voyager's aluminum body. After tens of thousands of years of atomic-level degradation, the metal frame becomes as fragile as a thin ceramic plate, highly vulnerable to catastrophic stress. Upon finally arriving at the Proxima Centauri system after tens of millennia, Voyager 1 encounters a harsh alien environment. Proxima Centauri b orbits extremely close to its host red dwarf star, completing an orbit in just 11 days. The exoplanet is tidally locked, meaning one hemisphere suffers under permanent, scorching daylight blasted by intense ultraviolet solar flares, while the opposite side remains frozen in endless night. As Proxima Centauri b's gravitational field snags the fragile probe, Voyager 1 accelerates into the atmosphere at a blistering 20 kilometers per second. Lacking a heat shield, the severe friction generates extreme temperatures, vaporizing its cameras, high-gain antenna, and aluminum booms instantly. The probe disintegrates into a glowing meteor streak, leaving behind only the most resilient nuclear battery casings to scatter as metallic dust. Amidst the flaming wreckage, one extraordinary artifact stands a chance of surviving the atmospheric reentry, the golden record. This gold-plated copper phonograph record, protected inside a heavy aluminum jacket, was curated by astronomer Carl Sagan in 1977 as a time capsule for extraterrestrial life, housing human greetings, earth sounds, pictures, and classical music masterpiece. Though the golden record's outer shell survives the fiery impact, 75,000 years of interstellar dust abrasion sanded away the microscopic audio grooves containing Earth's music and voice recording. However, The deep metallic engravings on the record cover remain completely legible, specifically the pulsar map, a cosmic GPS diagram mapping Earth-Sun relative to 14 rapidly spinning neutron stars. If an advanced alien civilization inhabiting Proxima Centauri B unearths the warped, metallic record from the crater site, their scientists could analyze the pulsar map. By calculating the rotational decay periods of those 14 distinct pulsars over 75,000 years, the extraterrestrials could reverse engineer time and pinpoint the exact location of our solar system, deciphering humanity's ultimate return to sender address. Even if humanity itself has long vanished or evolved into something unrecognizable by the time the probe crashes, Voyager 1 fulfills its true destiny. It stands as an eternal monument to human curiosity, proving that an ambitious species on a tiny pale blue that once dared to reach out across the cosmic ocean and leave an indelible mark on the universe.